Welcome back. I'm Dr. Kristina Hammer, and today we're going to talk about vitamin D and the important role it plays in the body. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for strong bones, teeth, and overall health. It is produced by the body when the skin is exposed to sunlight, but it can also be obtained through certain foods and supplements. One of the key benefits of vitamin D is its role in calcium absorption. Without sufficient vitamin D, the body cannot effectively absorb calcium, which can lead to weak bones and teeth. However, it's important to note that vitamin D should also be taken with vitamin K2, as it helps direct calcium into the bones and away from the arteries, so you don't possibly build up plaque and have issues with blood pressure or heart disease later in life. In addition to its role in bone health, vitamin D also plays an important role in overall immune function, as it helps regulate the activity of immune cells. It quite possibly can be one of the most important vitamins for immune health, since it also has steroidal properties as well. Side note, one of the things that I like to do for my patients is analogies. So one of the analogies that I like to use with vitamin D is like the superstar for our body. Now, the analogy that I like to use is the game of Mario. A lot of people have played Mario or at least watched it in the past. So with the game Mario, I like to think of Mario, our white blood cells, which help fight our infections, as Mario. Mario can win that game whether he's regular size or super size or even small. But what happens is if Mario hits one of the mushrooms, the plant eaters that spits the fire, or the turtles that throw the little boomerangs, what can happen is Mario can die or even shrink. So I tell people that's like when you get sick, such as viruses, bacteria, fungal infections, or even allergies, our body's more susceptible, even if we have a good amount of white blood cells in our body. What can happen is our body just doesn't have that armor or shield that the vitamin D does provide. So what I think of how I like to tell my patients is vitamin D is like that superstar. So in the game of Mario, when Mario hits one of those little question mark boxes, the superstar comes out. When Mario gets that superstar, what can happen is he's invincible. He can run through anything. That's how our vitamin D is on our white blood cells in our body, and that's why it's really important. It has also been linked to a decreased risk of certain diseases such as type 1 diabetes, multiple sclerosis, as well as certain types of cancer. Vitamin D deficiency is a very common problem, especially in areas with limited sun exposure or in people with darker skin. Some common symptoms of vitamin D deficiency include fatigue, muscle weakness, as well as bone pain. To increase vitamin D levels, it's important to get enough sun exposure without overexposure or risk of sunburn. Or consume vitamin D-rich foods such as fatty fish, egg yolks, and mushrooms. Supplements are also available, but it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Vitamin D plays an essential role in bone health, immune function, and overall health. It should be taken with vitamin K2 for optimal absorption and can help prevent certain diseases, and should be added to everyone's list for immune function. Please consult with a healthcare professional and get your vitamin D blood levels checked to see how it might help you. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and hit that button below for more great content geared to help you be your best, both on the inside and out. We'll see you next time. Bye.